Welcome back to Where's Lara Now, and as you can see behind me, I'm at home. I can't really go anywhere because I can't drive a car, and Emerald's at work, and so I'm like, what can I do for some videos? And then I remembered I bought these cookie craft kit. Ta-da! It's the Color a Treat, and it's a cookie coloring kit, and they make all different kinds. I'm going to put the information in the description on where to find them. The company is, I forget what it, Corso's Cookies, and they sell them everywhere. If you Google Color a Treat, you'll come across them. But they're around, it's 20 bucks, but there's 6 cookies in here. It comes with markers, and looks like it says they're individually wrapped, and then these are edible markers. Obviously the ink is edible, but we're gonna color it and we're gonna try out the cookie, at least one. And this one is Dr. Seuss's Oh, the Places You'll Go, which is kind of apropos for Where's Lara Now. Right now we're only going to my house because I can't really go anywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna do a little artwork, and we'll see how they taste. So here, let's get going. Let's do some little arts and crafts and eat them and see how they taste. Are they worth 20 bucks? We'll see. Okay, so I opened it up. I'm gonna take a peek inside. Here you go. So you get a big blue marker, a pink marker, a yellow marker, and an orange. And there are 6 cookies. I think there's two different types, or sorry, 6 cookies, 3 styles, 2 of each. Actually, no, hold on. There's only one of this, which is Oh, the Places You'll Go with the balloon. There are 2 of these guys. I don't know what they are, but they're from the book, Oh, the Places You'll Go. And then there's 3 of these that say Oh, the Places You'll Go with the elephant. So I don't know if we accidentally, this should have been like the balloon. So I'm just going to, do the balloon, and go from there. Sorry for the cookies smell good. I mean, they smell like a sugar cookie. Here, see? All right, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. And you're gonna watch me do some arts and crafts. Hold on one second. Okay, so hopefully that translated really well onto the video. I don't think I did that bad. I think it looks pretty good. All right, now to taste it, like how good is it? Because I mean, technically it's good till, I want to say 26 March of 26, so about 6 months from now, I guess, right? Because we're in 25. So anyways, here, let's give it a try. Well, it's not bad. I've definitely had better cookies, but if you have small kids that like to do crafts and decorate cookies, this isn't a bad way to do it. 6 cookies for $20. Anyways, I guess that's it. I remember, oh, the places you'll go. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the all so you can get notified of, you know, of when I actually do upload a video. And remember, adventure is always out there.